Welcome to the Best Picks. The Best Shed Hunting Kit is probably one of the most sought-after training tools for dedicated shed hunters and their canine companions, promising an enriching experience in the outdoors. This video will review the top-rated shed hunting dog training kits available on the market today, comparing features, benefits, and overall value to help you choose the perfect kit to enhance your shed hunting adventures with your furry friend. Number 5. DogBone Shed System. It's the complete kit for scent training your hunting dog. Everything you need is included for a successful training experience. You'll receive a durable antler dummy, a scent bottle, and a helpful training booklet. These are essential tools for effective training. It's made from a flexible, durable material that mimics a real antler, ensuring a safe and positive experience for your dog. The scent is specially formulated to replicate the smell of a real antler, enhancing your dog's training. It combines various field scents for realism. It's crafted right here in the United States, guaranteeing superior quality and reliability. You can trust it for your dog's training. This system uses a proven method to help your dog learn step by step. It makes the training process easier and more effective. What we like. This kit has everything you need to start training. It uses a proven method to teach your dog to find sheds. If you're new to shed hunting and want a complete, easy-to-follow system, this is for you. What people say. The antler is firm yet flexible. It's a great way to train for shed hunting. The antler, scent, and booklet are all great and help me tremendously with shed hunting. Started with a ball thrower and pocket full of tennis balls, worked great to get the pup familiar with the scent. The balls absorb the scent and hold it for a long time. The antler is great, people saying it's too soft or torn apart easily are probably treating it as a toy or allowing their dogs to chew on it. My pup will sniff it out, grab it and bring it to me. The horns are a durable rubber material. So even if you're not technically training you actually are. Use this to play fetch with the pup all the time. Then when you want to get a little more technical they send a wax to put on the shed that imitates the shed of a deer. Then you can start hiding it and letting them find it as well. Number 4. DogBone Antler Scent. Train your shed hunting dog with ease using this innovative liquid scent kit. It's the only one of its kind on the market, designed for superior results. Our formula replicates the natural scent of a real shed antler. This proven method ensures effective training for your canine companion. This kit includes everything you need to train your dog to locate antlers. It's a comprehensive solution for shed hunting success. It seamlessly integrates with your existing hunting dog accessories. Enhance your training regimen with this powerful scent. It's crafted in the USA, guaranteeing superior quality and reliability. You can trust it to perform when it matters most. DogBone provides unmatched quality and reliability in dog training tools. Get yours today and start training your dog to be a champion shed hunter. What we like. This advanced scent is unlike anything else on the market. It perfectly replicates the smell of a real antler. If you want the most realistic scent training experience, choose this. What people say. The new stronger recipe allows me to dilute the scent, if wanted, to make it more challenging for my dog as he progresses in training. The item comes well packaged and arrived as promised. A good way to start your puppy or dog on scent work and to find shed antlers. My dogs were able to pick up the scent and find antlers wherever hidden. Number 3. DogBone Shed DVD. This DVD provides step-by-step instructions on how to train your dog using a simple and incremental process. Learn from Jeremy Moore's unique teaching style and achieve success in the field. Transform your hunting dog into a skilled shed antler finder. You'll learn techniques like shape conditioning, scent discrimination, and feel. With over 3 hours of content, this DVD offers comprehensive training. Follow Jeremy's journey and learn his methods for achieving your training goals. Even if your dog is already trained for other tasks, this DVD will teach it a new skill. Give your canine companion a new challenge and create more outdoor adventures together. This training builds a stronger bond between you and your dog. It's about more than just finding antlers, it's about shared experiences and lasting memories. What we like. Learn from a shed hunting expert with this comprehensive DVD. It provides detailed, step-by-step instructions. If you prefer visual learning and expert guidance, this is the perfect choice. What people say. We received our DVD quickly. We have found his videos very helpful. Good info, product very helpful. Number 2. DogBone Antler Dummy. It's the safe and effective way to introduce your canine companion to the shape of an antler during training. This training tool helps avoid injuries and keeps your dog engaged. Made from a flexible, durable material, it's gentle on your dog's mouth, even for soft-mouthed breeds. The attached rope makes retrieving easy and fun. It floats. Use it on land or water, making it perfect for training in any weather or environment. Add it to your hunting dog's training kit. It's ideal for teaching scent work and retrieving, preparing your dog for real-world hunting scenarios. Crafted with pride in the USA, it ensures unmatched quality and reliability, giving you peace of mind during training. Remember, this is a training tool, not a chew toy. Always supervise your dog during training sessions. What we like. This dummy is safe for your dog's mouth and is built to last. It even floats for water training. If you need a safe and versatile training tool, this is it. What people say. The scent isn't noticeable by me, however, my dog can lock onto it from 40 yards away. Puppies started with the white antler and now we are using the brown to hide it more and make them rely on scent. The rack wax works better on the antler. A great tool for teaching your pup how to shed hunt without the fear of them getting scared of sheds by getting poked with a real one. Number 1. Dokken Shed Dog Wax. Tired of messy training? This antler-scented wax makes training easier and more effective. It's the perfect tool for any dog trainer. The natural antler scent attracts dogs' attention, making training more engaging. It's a powerful tool for positive reinforcement. Simply apply it to your training equipment. It's designed for easy use and long-lasting scent. The scent is designed to last, so you can focus on training, not reapplying. Enjoy consistent results with every session. It helps keep your dog focused and engaged during training. Watch your dog learn and grow with this helpful tool. It's suitable for all breeds and training levels. Make training a positive experience for both you and your canine companion. What we like. This wax provides a long-lasting, realistic antler scent for training. It's perfect for reinforcing scent recognition. If you're looking for a supplementary scent training tool to enhance your existing methods, this is a great option. What people say. Scent works on bumpers or antlers. Worked good on an antler chew that had never been used. Hid in woods and found the hide. Did not think something that looked like chapstick would work, but it did. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.